Turn right on Twin Coves Park Road, then take the third left.
And yes, you're hearing my GPS give me bad directions. Yes, I know campground geometry is one of my strong suits. And remember, when you get in a situation, don't pour concrete. Slow down, breathe, and then figure the best way to resolve the issue so that you're not compounding problems. Everyone knows about aircraft crashes, and the biggest thing that the NTSB has found is called the accident chain. And the accident chain is basically this. Problem occurs, and instead of flying the airplane, the pilot compounds the problem. If at any point during the issue they had stopped and flown the airplane, maybe they could have broken the accident chain. That's really a tenet of rolling smooth, because rolling smooth is a mindset. When it's okay to panic, yes, it's okay to panic, but don't pour concrete in your panic. Take a breath. Take a chill pill. Take a minute. Slow your mind down. Breathe. Then evaluate the problem. And this mindset isn't just an RV mindset. It's a mindset that I have been working on for 6 years now.
Turn right on Wichita Trail.
It's applicable in business and in life. And it has really lately helped me see the forest for the trees, because we all get caught up in the trees of life. Financial worries and stress. Why isn't this content getting any better? Why aren't I getting any traction on what I'm putting out? Is it not resonating with the public? But so what I have been doing is slowing down, evaluating, and moving forward. And in some cases, it doesn't mean solving the problem. It means mitigating it long enough to come up with a good plan to solve it that doesn't compound mistakes or issues. And that was really what I did on Sunday when I got myself in the pickle here at Twin Coves in Flower Mound and had to unhook Rosie, back up Birdie B about 200 yards until I got out of a bad situation. That's basically life. You know, it's not failure to back up and punt. It's not. So I'm going to leave you with this as I get on the road for a 200-mile drive to Yukon, Oklahoma. Don't pour concrete. And remember, the situation or the problem is momentary, not permanent. Always, always, always push forward. Thank you for your time today.